Hey everyone, this is Simi Rebello here, the owner of Simi's Couture, a small firm on Instagram who has a huge variety of imitation jewelry and specializes into earrings. Well, on 12th May this year, we'll be completing 3 years of our store. So we've decided to start releasing videos where we'll give you some small fun facts about jewelry, about earrings, how they came up, what do they signify. And also in each video, you'll get to see a new range, a new style and new designs coming up every now and then. So do watch the space below, and if you like this video, please go and press the like button. Okay, also do go and subscribe to our channel, and please do comment below on what are the type of videos that you would like to see in association with jewelry. Okay, I'll be definitely waiting, and do share this video to all your friends and to all jewelry and earring fan lovers out there. Okay, so today's video will start with a fun fact. Let's start with, did you know how did earrings originate, or how old back did they originate? They originated 7,000 years ago. Pretty old, right? Okay, so earrings are normally have been a really big part of ancient Asia, but in Greece, the rich people used to wear earrings to signify how rich they were. So they used to not only wear earrings, but they used to wear it with a lot of stones like rubies, emerald, diamonds, and the material used to be normally of gold, platinum, silver. While in ancient Rome, these earrings were worn by slaves to signify that they are slaves of a particular community, and that's why they were given these kind of earrings. So you see, earrings were two different cultures, had two different types of symbols for earrings, and that's how earrings originated. Coming to India, when did earrings start? Was in the Indus Valley around 5,000 years ago. So coming to Indian earrings, our Indian earrings, they differ from culture to culture, tradition to tradition, and they have really different types of significance, of importance in our tradition. So today's video is going to be our first 7 different styles of basic earring designs that every girl must own in her jewelry collection. Even if you're a jewelry fan, then I'm sure you'll definitely be having these 7 designs coming up. Going on, for our first design is the jhumka. We all are very familiar of the jhumka design. This one is called the Meenakari. But did you know how did these jhumkas come into existence, or where did they originate from? So they originated from South India, because normally the Bharatnatyam people, they used to wear these kind of jhumkas, and that's how the style came into trend. It started around in the 80s and the 90s, and now it's become a go-to design for every college girl or every lady or every woman to have this in her collection. Normally it's in silver, oxidized, gold. A lot of variations come in this kind of a design, but this one here is called the Meenakari, because you can see this part is hand painted and these have got stone work here. The price and the description and the details to buy this one will be given down below. You can check it down in the description box. So this is our first style, the jhumkas, and I'm sure all of you all would be definitely owning this kind of a pair. Okay, coming to our next pair, which is a very small, lightweight, are studs. Yes, as you can see, the studs, you don't need to specially pair up, with your outfits and all. They are just so light that you can normally wear it also, just to even step out of the house and make sure. Sometimes people even just wear studs, so your ears don't get blocked. So normally we used to wear studs of gold and all when we are just born, and our parents pierce our ears So those are the small studs, but now we have a lot of variation in studs, and in fact in the coming up videos you will see that even the stud designs that I have in my store here is going to be even these huge size of studs. So yes, I will be coming up with those designs as well. So second is the studs. I'm sure everyone may be owning a pair of this. Okay, now coming down to our third design. Our third design is the chandelier collection. Jhumar? Yes. Why do we call this a chandelier or a jhumar collection? Is because this part here down at the bottom is very broad. So that is why this part is called the chandelier. In fact, nowadays, like if you're a earring fan and you do not own this, it's like, oh my god, you have to have this in your collection, because on any Indian outfit this goes so well. You do not have to have necklaces to match up. These earrings are worn actually especially not to wear necklaces, because you're very huge in size. So when you wear these earrings, you do not have to wear necklaces. They cover up that, and your outfit looks really good with this kind of a collection. So jhumar chandelier collections are a must have. Yes, we'll be coming up with colors, variety and designs. Do check the next videos coming up. The next are my favorite. Actually, I love owning these collections, and I have a lot of variety in them. It's called the hoop collection. Very famous among especially college students nowadays, and it's just this one collection. You do not have to, you can just wear this on any outfit. When you're so confused what to wear, whether that earring will look good, whether the color is going to go good or no, and you are confused, pick up the hoops. They are the best. You get a lot of sizes in these hoops, variations, colors, and these ones here are with the pearls studded on it. So yes, this is one variation of our hoop, and they are very lightweight. Go to outfit. Okay, coming to our next basic style you should own is called the dangler. You can see why is it called the dangler, because it's hanging down. It's got like a hanging from the stud part here, hanging. Not very small, not very large, but yes, this is the dangler collection. And normally nowadays everyone loves wearing, little hanging to hona hi chahiye. So yes, this is the dangler collection. Yeah. Okay, coming next to the sixth collection here, the design is called the drop collection. I'm sure you must have figured out why is it known as a drop, because of this pearl drop hanging here at the bottom. So normally we wear this. Normally actually these drops, they come in western designs more of rather than Indian, but yes, we do have them in Indian, and they are worn in small sizes a lot, small and medium. These ones that we have here are the large ones, and this could be worn on any sari, anarkali or anything. It's multicolor, so you do not have to go with any color specific. You can just wear it with any of your outfits, because it's got all the colors present here. So even the price and details of this to buy this will be down given below in the description box. And coming to the most spoken earrings about, I think when I started off my store 3 years ago also, these earrings were a lot in demand and in trend, and the only name they had was Deepika Padukone earrings from Ram Leela. So I think she just made this pattern and this design super famous. It's called the Chand Bali collection. I know all of y'all are happy out seeing this, especially the Deepika Padukone fans. The Chand Bali collection, it became famous actually in the movie Ram Leela. She actually wore it, and they are heavy. These designs are meant to be heavy, but this one here we have is not heavy at all. It's quite good, lightweight, and normally Chand Balis, they are semicircular. If you can see, they are semicircular, and actually they look like a chand, so that's why the name Chand Bali. Normally they have hangings down like that, like pearls or even little more hangings, and they have an intricate design. Actually the main features of Chand Bali is the intrication part in this center here. So the intrication design. Yes, so these were the basic 7 earring designs, styles that every girl has to own. Like if you own these 7 and if you have varieties and variations, then you are a true earring fan, like die hard earring fan. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, then do press the like button, the thumbs up button down below. Do comment on the video around what would you like to see next from our jewelry collection, which design, or what style do you prefer. Do share this to all those girls there who love jewelry and who can't step out of the house without accessorizing themselves. And also, please do subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe to our channel, it's definitely free of cost, but you will get to see a huge range and variety of different kinds, styles and prices of earrings, and we have a lot of designs coming up. So I'm going to be seeing you next in our next video. Stay tuned till then. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.